Welcome to Brianna's DIY world. Today I'm going to be doing a Romwe review.
Life could be a dream, sweetheart. Life could be a dream. And I think I'm plans would come true. And I think I'm my whole life loving you.
I've been seeing a lot of different people order from this. A little backstory. So I didn't know a lot about this. I'd seen I had seen different websites and different ads for it, but I didn't think much of it. So I had a co-worker who ordered from them, and I decided to try them out. My sister has already done it, and she's gotten like a nice hoodie, and she's really liked it. So one thing to think of is when you're ordering from there, you'd like to look at the length of the clothing. They'll say below, because some people complain about the shirts being too short, but if you look at the length in the description, then it will tell you, and my coworker says that that's how she's gotten a lot of stuff right on key. So I ordered 2 jackets and a shirt, and I'm going to be unboxing. So this came a little over a week, but it came just in time for what I needed to, which is vacation. So I got this shirt. So it looks like it should be long enough. I'm gonna go try it on. Alright, so here's the shirt. You can kind of see it. And that's like stripes. And I actually really like this. So I got the length, it just comes in right at my jeans. I have high-waisted jeans, it comes right in. It's like perfect. So that's why it's really nice to look at the length online, and then you can get those. Because some people have not liked their sizes as much. But if you look at that, I think you can get pretty good right on. Ooh, I like this one a lot. Alright, so then this jacket. And then this jacket, it's the same thing, but the color blocking's a little bit different. Alright, so jacket. Alright, so it's light blue at the top. Sleeves are a little short, so that's kind of disappointing. I just have long arms and long legs, so things like that are sometimes hard too. But I still like it, and I think it'll be good. Woo-hoo. So all in all, I do like all these all the items I got, and I'm going to be keeping them. The sleeves are a little bit of a disappointment, but that's something that I can handle, and it's fine. Because sometimes it is hard to find stuff that's like for long arm people, long legs. I did actually really like this stuff. I got it all for like $22, $21, $22. So super cheap. This shirt was like $5, I think. The jackets were like $8, around there. So I think it was really good. I would definitely order more from there, but just I think it's important to look at the length and what the size they'll actually say they are, and then you can get more on what you're thinking, because that's one of the biggest complaints I hear from people ordering from Romwe is that things they're too short. So if you pay attention to that, I think it'll be great, and it'll all work out, and it'll be awesome. Yeah, have a great day. If you haven't already, please subscribe and give this video a thumbs up, and I hope you have a wonderful day.